Good morning, YouTube. It's Scott with InsideTheGurf.com, back with another Fusion for 360 for woodworking tutorial. This morning we're going to be working on making a little mallet. This is probably going to turn into a CNC project that I hopefully will be able to get in this weekend or during next week. Let's get into it. So as normal, we're going to start a sketch. We're going to use the top plane, select it over here in our view cube, R for rectangle. We're going to draw a rectangle this way. We're going to make it 3 inches by 6 inches. Enter. Get this into view. Then we're going to select our 3-point center arc. Draw that one here. Pull it out to something we kind of like. Not like that. Come over here and do the same thing. Now we're going to come over here to our constraints, and we're going to select equal. We want this one to be equal to that one, like that. We're going to extrude this up. Q brings up press pull. Select the 3 things we got here. Extrude that up another 3 inches. There we go. Now we need to cut a hole in it for our handle. We're going to draw a sketch on this plane here. R brings up rectangle. Enter. D for dimension. Let's say 2 inches. By 1.5. Enter. Alright, so we got 2 inches on this side and 7/8 on that side. So get that in the center. I'll bring up Q for press pull, and then we're going to cut through here, cut all the way through. Okay, we're going to spin around to the back here. We're going to use our construction offset plane, offset from this surface. Distance, we're going to go 0.375, which is 3/8. R brings up rectangle. Select our, make sure we have our offset plane we just draw selected, which we do. Draw a rectangle here. Stop sketch. So we see we drew 3/8 of an inch off of the surface there. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Offset plane, that side. This time we're going to go 10 inches. So 10 inches, enter. R brings up rectangle. Same thing. O for offset. 3.75. Oop. Like so. We're going to go ahead and delete this one here by holding down shift. Click all the lines, right click, delete. Alright. We are going to get where we can see that top one. And we're going to create a loft. I'm going to select that. Do that. So now we're going to create a loft between there and there. Go up here to create loft. Let's select that to that. Cut. We'll put it on join. Puts that together. And there's our handle. F brings up fillet. Select our 4 corners here. Push those in. 0.375. Enter. Put a nice little fillet on here. Make this an inch, like so. build up around the top edge of this. F brings up fillet, by the way. F. Select those 4 lines. 1/4 inch on that one. Add some fillets to our outside corners here. Make those a 1/2 inch. That's looking pretty good. We'll add a little bit of a fillet around this outside edge there. So 1/2 inch on that too. And there we go. There's our basic hammer. A for appearance. We'll give the head a walnut there, and we'll make the handle a ash. You got to make sure you have a downloader, or else it ain't gonna take maple. And there we go. There is our basic little mallet. Like I said, I plan to make this CNC project hopefully this week or the following week, and we're gonna make it a little more elaborate, and I'll be sure to make a video while I make the project. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, go ahead and subscribe, and continue pumping out these Fusion 360 for woodworking videos. And until tomorrow, have a good day.